In this video, I'll be showing you how to stop your screen turning off on Android phone. It's the best settings tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So the setting controls how long your screen waits before turning off after a period of inactivity. So what you want to do is go over to your settings menu, go ahead and scroll down until you find display, then scroll down and tap screen timeout. So mine's right there. Mine is currently 30 seconds. You can choose a duration between 15 seconds and 10 minutes. And for security and battery reasons, you cannot turn off the timeout completely or customize the lock screen timeout. So in my instance, I'm going to put it to 5 minutes, and it says keep screen on while viewing. It says keep screen on while you're looking at it using the front camera to detect your face. So you can also have that enabled as well. And yeah, it's up to you if you want to go ahead and do that. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. If you find it's still turning on, it might be because your battery's under 20%, which triggers the power saving mode. So you can go ahead and turn that off if you want to as well. Now, if you found that video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.